Welcome to Twinkle Tunes for Kids!
Tidy? Let's dance and play! Tidy up, pick it off the floor. Toys in the box and close the drawer. Wiggle to the left, wiggle to the right. Clean up, hold things tight. Tidy up tango. Spin and clean, that's how we go. None, two, wipe that mess. 3, 4, clean with finesse. Tidy up tango. Put it back, fast or slow. Books on shelves, neat and tall. Line them up, don't let them fall. Shoes in pairs by the door. Dance them back, then sweep the floor. Tidy up tango. Spin and clean, that